2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Goeiemôre dames en heren, good morning ladies and gentlemen by die 27ste brandwaterproduksie veiling dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Ons wag net voordat ons begin. Gentlemen, baie welkom hier by die 27ste brandwaterproduksie veiling dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Voordat ons begin daarso met die veiling wil ek net gou sê laat ons net gou 'n lekker handeklap gee vir die brandwaterspan. Ek dink die bulle en alles hierso met die veiling, dis harde werk om alles te reël en al die reëlings te tref en goeie. So kom ons gee net vir die brandwaterspan net 'n lekker handeklap dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Right, saam met
met aansien en eer gekroon. U laat hom heers oor die werk van die hande. U het alles aan hom onderwerp, skaap kan aanbied. Baie dankie dat u ons aangestel het om oor u handewerk te mag heers. Dit is vir ons 'n wonderlike voorreg om so na aan die natuur te kan woon en werk. Wanneer ons na die skepping kyk, Here, staan ons telkens verstom oor u almag. Baie dankie vir almal wat vandag saam met ons kan wees. Ons bid dat u seën sal laat rus op die verrigtinge vandag. En ons bid, Here, waar ons almal vanmiddag weer huis toe gaan, dat u almal se weer voorspoedig sal maak. Ek bid dit in die naam van ons Here Jesus Christus. Amen.
Nou, sê baie dankie Koos. Dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, gaan nou
En dan die brandwapen om Rolf en Michael, allemaal wat help, die volk wat en ook vir die braaiers vandag sê en ook dankie ook daarvoor. Owaars, ander man wat om nie Riek is. Kalp Arnou, OVK, om Johanele, VK, Nieuwoud hulle, Delwiedrijfvoere, Pieter, Oosmond Krop, betref die bulle. Die bulle is allemaal getoets vir vrugbaarheid, TB en BM, Trich en Vibrio. So alles daar is PSG wat mense is wat hier so in die catalog staan hulle geskryf, agter in die catalog. David Linde, hy is hier so regs voor, as julle met hom wil praat oor die versekering. Baie dankie, ek dink namens die brandwaterspan, sterkte Gerrit, so hoop het sal 'n goeie veiling wees. Ek hoop almal is baie tevrede met die aankope van julle bulle vandag. En dankie vir julle ondersteuning elke jaar. Ons waardeer dit. Dankie.
Daar sê baie dankie Chris. Right, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, back to the sale. Daar so, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, laat ek my sê voorstel. My naam is Garrett Hughes en ek is die afslaer wees vandag, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. I am acting on behalf of SHM Meerkat en Brandwaterboerdery vandag, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. Ons verkoopstreng volgens wat elke dag gebruik. Ek dink is dit die conditions of sales is gedruk in julle katalogus. Ek sal aanneem dat julle almal daarvan bewus is en julle het daardeur gelees. Gentlemen, soos Chris gesê het, ons spotters vandag links van my daar, so Herman, beste regs van my en Simon hierbo op die rostering vandag, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. As ek of een van die spotnemers vandag 'n fout maak, ek is die afslaer, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, die reg om my lot op te vuil en indien laat ons een van die lotte vandag toemaak. Ons online platform Meerkat, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, baie groot verwelkoming aan al die kopers by Meerkat online daar, so dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. Vandag, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, ons insetpryse op die bulle, die Brahmane en die Droughtmasters gaan R40,000 wees. So ons price is 40,000. So die volgende bod gaan dan 42 wees. Ons inkremente gaan hardloop op die bulle vandag is volgens, so asseblief almal luister, van 40,000 tot 50,000 hardloop ons in 2 en 3,000 rand boddens. So in ander woorde 40, 42, 45, 48, 50. Van 50,000 to 90,000 die bod inkremente verander na 5,000 rand boddens toe. So in other words 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. From 90,000 verander die bod inkremente na 10,000 toe, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200 tot op 200. Van 200 verander die bod inkremente in 20 en 30,000 rand boddens, 200 to 20 to 50 to 80, 300, 320, 350, 380, 400. Van 400,000 af dan verander die bod inkremente in 50,000 rand boddens, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, 400, 450, 500, 550, al die pad na 900,000 toe, en as ons daar uitkom, dan sal ek afkondig wat die bod inkremente. Ladies and gentlemen, met dit, ons het nou nog gepraat oor die vervoer, asseblief kom praat net met Tom Simon, Chris en François oor waarheen julle bulle moet, en wat se rigting. Saam met dit, kom het gee weer eens 'n lekker hande klap vir almal wat hier is vandag, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, en die Brandwaterspan om Linde, Koos, Chris, die hele familie daar, so Frans daar agter. Right, ladies and gentlemen, straight on to business, kyk 'n bietjie mooi, have a look here. Lot number 1 comes into the ring. An outstanding bull to start the sale, dames and here, ladies and gentlemen. Side, hot 07625. Going back to Easter, the likes of Mr. 09 and Bullet. Embryo Downing Cow, Embryo Downing Cow, dames and here, ladies and gentlemen, 13252. Also going back to Lawford Menzo and the likes of Longfellow. Hy was bekend vir Mel, dames and here, ladies and gentlemen. Kyk na die manlikheid in hierdie bil, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. Don't make a mistake. Lot number 1 is for your consideration. On sale today, dames and here, ladies and gentlemen. 48 and 48,000 a bid, and now 48 in but 48,000 a bid, and now 48 in but 48,000 a bid, and 50,000 to go, and now 50 to go, 55 out of 55 down, but 60. But it's 65,000 a bid, and now 65 out of 5, but it's 65, asking 70,000 to go, sir, and now 65 out of 5, but it's 65, and now 5 and 6 operation, but it's 65 out of 5, but it's 65,000 a bid, and 65, and now 5 and 6 operation, but it's 65 out of 5, but it's many, thousand bit, and I'll see what place number 70,000 bit, and I'll see what place number 70 degree number 70,000 bit, and I'll see what place number 70 all out, all done, get over, see what place in that kind of tickle, and cake the after quarter to be low, and I'll 70 degree number 70,000 bit, and I'll see what place number 70 all out, all done, get over, see what place number yesterday to the Darabao, all out, all done. There and there. Sulfus. Verloon Bethlehem's wêreld baie dankie uitstekende koop daar, so I like him a lot. Right, lot number 2 comes into the ring, dames and ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. Lot number 2, side, hot 16,569, dames and ladies and gentlemen, we all know him very well. Gold Cup winner, Royal Show. Going back to ML0159, dames and ladies and gentlemen, the likes of Mr. Kavango. On the damn side, hot 1471, dames and ladies and gentlemen, JDH, Mr. Manzo, also 1917 for dames and ladies and gentlemen, HBS 131, just to name a few. Kyk the right, steker of sabers also plus 27, plus 40 also plus 55, dames and ladies and gentlemen, is die potentiale wat voor julle staan. Sy ma was goue beker wenner in 2017, dames en ladies and gentlemen, an ICP of 374. Have a look. Dames and ladies, 40,000 bid, and 42, and 42,000 bid, and 45, and now 45,000 bid, and now 45,000 bid, and 45, and 45, 45,000 bid, and now 45,000 48, and 48,000 bid, and now number 48, and 48, and now 48,000 bid, asking 50 to go, and now 48, 48,000 bid, and 48, and 48, and now 48,000 on the floor, and now 48, 48,000 on here, 48,000, asking 50,000 to go, and now 50,000 bid, up before by Meerkat, and now 50,000 number 55, and now 55, and now 55 number 55 up fluid, and now 55 number 55, and now 55, 55,000 bid at 55 and 60, and now 60,000 number 60 and now 60,000 bid, and now 60,000 het jy die bal daar en 60,000 bid, and now 60,000 by Meerkat, and 60,000 by 60,000 bid, and now 60,000 by 60,000 all out, all done, yourself for 60,000 vir die eerste, tweede daar, maar all out, all done. So, vir die as ek mag, baie dankie, baie number 223, we do appreciate. Meneer Christian Botha, baie gelukheid, seker wel. Number 3 comes into the ring. If you have not seen a bull in a while, this is a bull. Cassius Clay. The likes of Angel 182, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. The balance. Say mass and to come here, ladies and gentlemen. Silver dames here, ladies and gentlemen, here in 45,000 a bid. Online by Mirka, and 45 and 45, and now 45, 5, 18, 45,000 a bid, and now 48 and 48,000 on the upper 40, but 48,000 a bid, and now 48 and 50 and 50,000 a bid, and now 50, 50, 50, but 50, 50, but 50,000 a bid, and now 50 place number 50, 50, 50, but 50,000 a bid, and now 5, and now 55 and 55, and now 60, and now 60, but 60,000 a bid, and 60 place number 60, 60, and now asking 5, sir, and now 60 number 65, and now 65 and 65,000 a bid, and 65 bang honest, and now 70 boy, and now 70 in 5, and now 65 and 80, 85, 90,000 a bid, and now 90 90, better with 100, 110, and now 110, 120, 20 hit about 80, better with 120, 130, and now 130, 30 hit about 80, better with 130, and now all the data base number with 130, 140, 140, rock for me, and now 140 number 50, and now 150, 50 hit about 50, better with 150, and now 160, 160 to bid, and 160, 70, 70 hit, better with 70, and now 170, 80 hit about 80, better with 90, and now 190, 90 hit about 90, better with 190, and now 190, 190, 190 hit about 90, better with 190 at 200,000 a bid, and now 220, and now 220, 20 hit about 80, better with 220, and now 220, 20 hit about 80, better with 20, 20 hit about 20, and now 220 at 200, 200 base time, better with 220, 20 going to be hit about 20, meneer. $20 hit about 80, better be 220,000 and now 220, 20 hit about 80, better be 220 base hit, and now 220, 20 hit about 80, better be 220, asking 250, and now 220, 20 hit about 80, better be 250, 280, and now 280,000 a bit. 280,000 a bid, and now 280, 80 hit about 80, better be 280, and now 280,000 a bid, and now 280, 80 hit about 80, better be 80 hit about 80, better be 200. Dynamo all out and all done. So kom ons ladies and gentlemen, they get better, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Lot number 4 comes into the ring. Side to side, Telma 064. Thanks up JDH, Kansas, Manzo, and Big Reese Ken. Cijfers wiens beter as my. Here, ladies and gentlemen, look at the presence. Need I say? Here, ladies and gentlemen, and 40, 40, and now 40, 40, and 40, 40, 40, and 40, 40,000, and now 40, and 40, and 40, and 40, 40, and 40, 2, and 42,000 a bit, and now 42, 5, and now 45, and 48, and 48,000 a bit, and now 50, and now 50, 50, 50, 5, and 55, and 60, and now 60, 60, 5, and now 65, and 70, 70,000 a bit, and now 75, and 75, and now 75, and now 80,000 go, and now 80, about 80, but 80,000 a bit, and now 80, about 80, but 80,000 a bit, and 85, and now 85, but 85, but 90,000 go, and now 90, 90, but 90,000 a bit, and now 90, 80, but 90, 90, going to be 90, about 90, but 90,000 a bit, and now 90 out Marcus Dominier, and now 90,000 a bit, and now asking 100 to go, and now 90, 90 hit about 90, but 90 hit about 90, all out, all done. Ek kan het nie verstaan nie. Kom weet net so goed soos ek, bulle met groei en lengte is geld. 90,000 asking 100. All out. Thank you sir, en hy koop er meneer Hannes lief. have a look here. Sê maar, sê embryo donor, queen, dames, here, ladies and gentlemen. Kyk daai syfers, plus 27, plus 38, plus 43, dames, here, ladies and gentlemen, and plus 4 by melk syfer. Sire, going back to the well-known boss 03216, dames, here, ladies and gentlemen, and boss 613. Sugar Lion 63 in the pedigree on the dam side, and HBS 131 and V8 702. Een van hom Linde se beste koeie in sy kudde. But 40 pounds a bit. If you're up nation, but 40, and now 42 team gonna be taken, but 42,000 a bit, and now 42 team gonna be taken, but 45, and now 45 and but 45, and but 8, and 48,000 a bit, and now 48 Dove Tenio, and now 48 and but 53, but 50, and now 50,000 a bit, and now 55, and 55 and but 55, and but 60, but 60, but it's top patient, and now 60, but 60, but 60,000 a bit, and now 60, but 60, but it's top patient, asking 5, sir, and now 68 over 60, better 68 over 60, better 60,000 a bit, and now Citation 5 online by Lisa Marie, and now 65 by Meerkat, and now 65 about better 65, and now 65 about asking 70, but not as no, and 65 5 in better 65, and now 65 about in better 65, better than 217. Right, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen, the bulls you've all been waiting for. Lot number 6 comes into the ring from the Drought Masters. Dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen, side going back to Glenlynn's limited edition. En I better goeie koei DO 06185, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen. On the ram side, coming out of a dam with an ICP of 351, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen, and going back to C11151, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen. Cow value reading of 102, 110, 108 on milk value, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen. As julle mooi gekyk het, die syfers van 219, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Dit is die syfers wat daai gewig uitwerk. Hy het self 222 kilogram gespeen, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Dit is die regte gewig, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, wat sy eie speen gewig was op speen. A good bull to start the sale off with the Drought Masters. A bull with length of body, width, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, and capacity. Better 40 40,000 a bit, and now 40,000 better 40 better 40,000 too, and now 42,000 on here, better 40, better 45. 55 and better 55,000 a bit, and 55 and 55 518 better 55,000 a bit, at 5 and 5,000 and better 55 518 better 55, and now 60,000 to go, and now 60 better 60 better down better 60 better 60 better 60,000 a bit, and now 6 patient Kenyo Marius let Marcus know, and now 65 and now 65 518 better 65,000 a bit, and now 5 and 6 patient and 65 518 better 65,000 a bit, and 65 asking 70 sir, and now 65 518 better 65, and now 65 better 65 5 going to be out and better 65,000 a bit, and now 65 all out all done result of 5 and 60,000 once twice all out all done. For the 65,000 as ek mag, baie dankie, hy koop nommer is baie number 13, baie dankie, kom ons gee lekker aan die klap vir die eerste bal van die dag daar so, baie dankie Marius. Meneer Frederik Potseer, Alita daar van Vongo, te wêreld af, baie dankie, uitstekende bal, well bought sir, congratulations. Baie number 13. Dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, een van die balle wat ek ook self gemerk het daar so, lot number 7 comes into the ring, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Dames en heren, en 469, en kyk weer eens die bitter goeie kwee, 06185, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. 064, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Syfers. Ladies and 42,000 a bid, and 45, and 45, 5, 8, and 45, and now 45, and 45,000 a bid, and 45, 5, 8, and 45,000, and 48,000 a bid, and now 48 and 50, 50,000 a bid, and now 50, 50,000 a bid, and now 50, 50,000 a bid, and 5, and now 60, and now 60, 65, and 65, 5, 8, and 65,000 a bid, and now 65, 70, 78, and 70,000 a bid, and now 75, and 75, and 75,000 a bid, oh, 5 and 75, and 75, and now 75, and 75, maybe I should ask the nice pretty lady next to you what we should do, and now 75, and 75,000 a bid, and now 80, and 80,000 a bid, and now 80, 80,000 a bid, and now 80, 80,000 to go, and now 80, 80, meneer, ek kan nie nou nie vir jou so vra nie, maar ons kan miskien vir die meneer langs jou vra wat moet ons maak, en nou 80, het jy die lengte van lyf gesien in die bal, en nou 80,000 a bid, en nou 80,000 a bid, one slice, all out, all done, get yourself for 80,000 vir die eerste, tweede, derde maal, all out, all done. Sold for 80,000, thank you very much, sir, en uitkoper nummer is, by number. Ons hier lekker aan die klap, by number 3, congratulations, hy steker koop, my onderbeer, bye, dankie. Alright, dames and ladies and gentlemen, lot number 8 comes into the ring. And baby, have a look here. Lot number 8, this should have been the bull you should have all marked, dames and ladies and gentlemen. I tell you what. Side, Glenlands, Winchester, Pacific. Dam side, C11154, dames and ladies and gentlemen, and 08469. And variance like we 185. 112 on a een astute potentiale bal. $20, $120, $120, $18, better with $120, and I want $120 base head, and I want $20, hit up with $80, better with $120,000 a bid, and I want $30, yo boy, and I want $30, hit up with $80, better with $140, and $140, 40, hit up with $40, better with $40, and I want $40, 10, and I want $40, hit up with $40, better with $40, and I want $40, 140, hit up with $18, better with $150, and I want $50, I'm better with $160, and I want $60, $160, and I want $60, hit up with $6. Better with 190, and now 190, 200,000 to go, and now 200 on hit up at 200, at 200,000 to bid, and now 200 on better with 220, at 220, 20 hit up at 80, better with 220, at 220 base head, at 220, 20 hit up at 80, better with 220, 220, weet jy wat, hoe mooi 20, hit up at 80, better with number 220, and now 220, 220, hit up at 220, hit up at 80. Right, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, hulle word net beter en beter en beter en beter. Side Glen Lynn's limited edition. Weer eens. in 42,000 a bit, and now 42 team going to be 42,000 a bit, and 45, and now 45 around 45,000 a bit, and now 45, 5, in 45,000 on here, but 40, but 45,000 a bit, and now 45 around 45, and now 48, and now 48, and 48, and 50, and 50,000 a bit, and 55, and now 55 around 60, and now 68, and 60, but 5, and 65, and 65, and 70, and now 70,000 a bit, and now 70,000 in 70,000 a bit, 75, and now 75 around 75, and now 75 around 75,000 a bit, and now 75 but Mark was no meneer, and now 75 around 75,000 all out, all done, going to survive in 78,000 vir die eerste tweede daar, maar all out, all done. Ek kan het nie glo nie. Sold for 75,000 by Dankie, by number 23. Meneer Van Wyk, Wolmerans, baie dankie, jy seker ek hoop daar, so well done, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, back on to the Barmans. There's not many times in your life where you get an opportunity to acquire a stud bull of this magnitude. The bull that stands before you is out and out a stud potential bull, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Maar weer eens, wat weet ek, julle sal beter as ek weet. Kyk maar die diepte, die lengte. This bull needs no introduction, ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren. You make your choice. Side 16,569. Go ahead. And 42 team going to be 42,000 a bit, and now 42 but 5, and 45 around 45, and 50, and now 55, and 55, but 60, but 60, but 60,000 a bit, and now 65, and now 65 around 65, 70, and now 75 around 75, and 80, but Mark is no, and 80,000 boy, and now 80, but 90, but 90, but 80, 85, now 90,000, now 100, at 100 on here, but 100, at 110, 10, but 110, and now 120, 120, 120 here, but 80, but 120, and now 120, 120, 120 hit about and 120 yobla, and now 120, 20 hit about 130, and now 130, 130, 130 hit about 130 on it, and now 130, 130, 130 hit in better 30, and now 130, 30 and I'm 40, 40 hit about 140, 50 hit about 50, better 150, and now 150, what do we do, sir? And now 150, 50 hit about 50, better 150, and now 150, 160 hit about 60, better 160, 170, at 170, 70 hit in better 170, and now 170, 170, 170, 70 hit in better 170, 180, and now 180, I'm better 190, now 200,000, what do we do, sir? And now 190 is on it any, and now 200,000 Boba Yoeni, and now 220, and now 2020 hit up the 80, better be 220, and now 220,000 a bid, and now 220 hit up the 80, better be 220, asking 250, and now 220 hit up the 80, better be 220,000 to go, and now 220 hit up the 80, better be 220, at 220,000, at 220, and now 250, and now 250, wat jy nou gevat, 250, dan better be 250, and now 250, hit up the 50, better be 250, and now 250,000 a bid, and now 250, and now 250, hit up the 50, better be 250, 280,000, heel boe, here's it daar, 280, now asking 300, 300 heel onder, now 320 sir, at 300,000 a bid, at 300,000 a bid, at 300,000, and now 300 on here, 300,000 a bid, at 300,000 you'll own it, and now 300,000 on here, 300, here in 300, at 300 you'll own it, asking 320 sir, at 300,000 on 300, at 300,000 a bid, and now 300 on here, 300, here in 300,000 a bid, at 300,000, where are you going to get a bull of this magnitude in your life, sir? At 300,000 a bid, at 300,000 on 3 and 300,000 a bid, and now 300 on here, 3 here in 300, at 300 asking 320, at 300,000 on 300, at 300,000 a bid, all out, all done. 100,000 once, twice, 320. Now asking 350, 350. At 350,000 a bid, at 300 on here, 350,000 a bid. Gereserveerd voor 350,000 dames, heren, ladies and gentlemen, all out, all done. Inside 891 dames, heren, ladies and gentlemen, going back to Bellamanzo and the likes of Longfellow. As julle pedigrees nou ken, Hot 1291. Een N+4 op 'n melk. Kyk na die bil se toplyn, die lengte van van 'n bil is baie belangrik. Aansal dames heren, ladies and gentlemen, hier in 40 here, 40,000, and now 40 here, 40,000 a bit, and now 40,000, 40 here, 40,000 a bit, and now 40,000, 40 here, 40,000, 2 eerste laaskies, zeg het gehoor, 45, and now 45, 48, and 48,000 a bit, and now 48, and 48,000 by you any, and now 50, and now 50, 50, 55, and 55, and 55, and now 55, and 55, and 55, and 55, and 55, 580. Asking 60,000, wat maak ons meneer Swanepoel, en now 60,000, and now 70,500, and now 65,000, 70 here, in 70,000 bit, and now 70,000, 70 here, in 75, and now 75,000, 75, 80,000, and now 80 here, in 80,000 bit, and now 80, en hier is Jeltemara, gaan je net aan, and now 80 here, 80,000 bit, and now 80 here, in 80,000 bit, and 80,000 bit, and now 80,000, 80 here, 80,000 bit, and 80,000 once, twice, all out, all done, gereserveerd voor 80,000 voor de eerste, tweede, derde, all out, all done. For 80,000, bye, dankie, Nikki, daar sê, ijsteken, ek hoop daar so by number 1. My onderbeers op die 53,000 bil daar so, bye, dankie, weer eens vir help daar so, al 3 van julle daar so, Lot number 11, lot number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, outstanding. Have a look here. Side the likes of Hot 1486. Julle ken hom almal daar so. Daar staan sy foto daar teen die stoor. 86. 82 and HB 131 dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Linksken, sy is 'n 3/4 suster van Longfellow. At 40,000, but 40 here, but 40,000 a bid, and now 40,000, but 40 here, but 42 and 42,000 a bid, and now 42, got to be but 42, and now 42,000 on here, but 40, but 42,000 a bid, and now 20,000, but asking 45 and 45 at Adam, but 45, and now 45 at Adam, but 48 and 48,000 a bid, and now 48 ain't got to be here, but 48, and now 40,000, but 48, 88 here, in but 48,000 a bid, and now 48 and 48, and 50, and now 50, but 50. Better 5, and now 55 and better 55, and now 55, 68, better 60, better 65, and 65, 5, 8, better 65,000 a bit, and now 65 and better 65, and now 65,000 a bit, and 65 for 5,000 het jy die maas in hierdie pedigree gesien, my maat. Don't miss out on the opportunity to acquire yourself a bull with that cow power behind her. 65,000 a bit, and now 65, 5, 8, better 65,000 a bit, asking 70,000, and now 65, 70, and 70, 78, better 75, and 75 and better 75, and now 75 and better 75,000 a bit, and now 75, and now 75, 5, 8, and better 75,000 a bit, and 75, and 75, wat sê Boete, wil hy nog ene gaan, en now 75 and better 75,000, all out, all done, geresolve, verwijs, 75,000, vir die eerste, tweede, daar, maar all out, all done. So for the 75,000, bye, dankie daar so naas, hy seker ek wil by number 12, congratulations. Excuse me. Tussen die lotte, die musiek is reg, as ek begin net met die pedigrees en goeders, sit hom net bietjie sagter vir ons, hoor of af. Dankie oom, ons waardeer. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot 13 is onttrek daar, so lot number 14 comes into the ring. Have a look here. Side ML0159, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. The likes of Mr. Kavangura, so Mr. 09, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, on the damn side, going back to 10,930. And Telma 06420. Daar word $42, but 5, but 5, and but 45, and but 48, and but 48,000 a bit, and now and now 50,000, and but 50, and now 50, but 50,000 a bit, and now 50,000, but 50, 50, and but 50, and 50, and 50, to give up Marcus though, and now 50, but 50, and 5, and now 55, and 60, but 60, but 60,000 a bit, and now 60,000, and but 60, and 60, and 60, and but 60,000 a bit, and Lisa Marie, what Marcus though, Tenyo, and now 60,000 a bit, up in fluid, and 60, but 60, but 60,000 a bit, and now 65, and now 65, 70, and 70,000, but 5, and 75, but 80, and 80,000 a bit, 5, and now 85, 5, 8, but 85, and now 80,000, 85, 5, 8, but 85,000 a bit, and now 85, asking 90, sir, and now 85, 5, 8, but 85,000 a bit, en help hom vir hom te kyk hier, vir die wil kyk, en vir my sê, wat moet ek maak, en now 85, 5, 8, but 85, om vir hom te kyk, gaan nie die koeie dek nie, en 85, 5, 8, but 85,000 a bit, en now 85, but 85,000 a bit, en now 5, 100,000 vir die eerste tweede derde maal all out all done 90,000 amper now 100 at 100,000 a bit asking one number 100 on here about 100 asking 110 at 100,000 on here about 100,000 vir die eerste tweede derde maal all out all done gereserve vir 100,000 vir 100,000 bye donkey by number 1 by donkey any by donkey Nikki daar so my onderbees Lisa Marie daar so om die hele manne daar so bye donkey oom ladies and gentlemen, back onto the horses and lot number 15 comes into ring lounge here, ladies and gentlemen, side. Cleveland's limited edition. And a line at the Fiat Peter, also 06185. Lane Kitio D02129, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Damn side 06222, also and Mgela Inca, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Cyphers wat lees cow value of 106, 109 dames here ladies and gentlemen, 101 dollars, 103 op the milk for Cypher and 100 on fertility value. This is a bull you should have marked. A bull must look here, brandwater out hier. 222 kilogram geweeg daar so self daar so op speen dames hier Ranger moet by hier functional good bull daar moet by number 42,000 online and 42 number 42 number 5 number 45,000 bid and now 45 number 45 number 48 number 48 50 number 50 and now 5 and now 55 number 60 and now 60 number 5 and 65 number 70 and now 70 number 70 here number 75 and 75 number 75 and now 57 number 75 and now 75 number 75,000 bid asking 80 sir and now 75 number 75 number 75 and now 75 number 75,000 on here number 75 number 75 ek verstaan dit nie boer ons met and now 75 number 75,000 on here number 75 75 and now 57 number 75 number 75,000 bid and now 57 number 75 all done over 75 and 80,000 bid and now 80 here about 80,000 bid and now 80 here about 80,000 bid and now 80 here about 80 boom 85 number 85 and now 85 number 85,000 bid and 85 and 85 and 85 and 85 number 85,000 bid and now 85 number 85 all out all done get us over 85,000 for the eerste tweede derde all out all done vir 'n 85,000 baie geluk het om gekry. Kom ons gee lekker aan die klap daar so baie number 26 jy help ons al baie daar so baie dankie my onderbeer man is baie dankie. Meneer Eugene Maree, baie geluk, well done sir. Hy was een van my picks ook op die veiling, baie geluk, well done. Right, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, on to lot number 18 wat in die ring aankom. Kyk even mooi, have a look here. This is the bull you should have all marked. Look at the look. £45 erbij bij Meerkar and 45. $45, $48 erbij and now 48, $50, and now 50, $5 and 55, $55 and now 55, 5 here in 60 and 60,000 erbij and 65 and now 65, 5 here in 65 and now 65, 5 here in 65,000 erbij and now 65, 65, 570 and 70,000 erbij and now 70 here and now 70 here in 70,000 erbij and now 75 and 75, 5 here in 75 and now 75 and 75 and now 75 asking number 80,000 go and now 75 80,000 lucky and now 80 80,000 and now 80 here in 80 and now 85 5 9 here in 90 90,000 bit and now 90 here in 90 100,000 110 110 I did here in 110 here in 110 nation at 110 here in 110 nation 120 now asking 130 at 130 hit about 30 better than 130 140 and now 140 hit about 40 better than 140 150 150 better 160 160 about 60 better 60 hit about 160 better 70 here in better 170 180 hit about 80 better 90 at 190 hit about 90 better 190 and better 200 at 220 at 220 hit about 80 better 220 and now 220 hit about 80 better 220 and now 220,000 asking 250 at 250 to bid and now 250 hit about 50 better 250 and now 250 and now 250 knows what Marcus knows net was taken skeet and now 250 better 250 they said and now 250 nog keer die and now 250 and 250 and 250,000 all out all done gonna suffer 250,000 all out all done around the ring no more for 250,000 sold for a Victorious by dankie second Gentlemen, on to lot number 17, KK, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. This is a bull with length, depth. 245 kilogram gespeen, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Weer eens een korte master, sien, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. A full Quartermaster, dam side 469, 0529 and the likes of 185. I better goeie queue weer eens, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. A cow value of 112, 113, 109 and 104 and a milk value, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Don't make the mistake to buy yourself a bull with growth, with weight. By going to 42,000 a bit and 42 and now 42,000 a bit and 45 and 45 and 45 and now 45 and 45 and 45,000 a bit and now 45 and 48,000 a bit now 50,000 a bit and now 50,000 a bit. 5 and 55, 5 here, 55 and 55 and now 60 and now 60, better 60,000 a bit and now 60,000 and 60 and 60 OP fluid and 60,000 a bit and now 60,000 and 5 and now 65, 5 here in better 65 and 65 and 65, 5 here in better 65 and now 65 and better 65,000 a bit and now 65 and 65 asking 70 sir what do we do and now 65 and better 65 and 65 and 65 here in better 65,000 a bit and now 65 and better 65 all out all done goes up to 65,000 for yes to get it out all out all done. Sold for the 65 as ek mag baie dankie en hy koop hom is baie number 222. Koersdraai boerdery daar so baie geluk met julle belang koop daar so dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, outstanding, well done. Have a look here, lot number 19 comes into the ring, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. SCN van 1486, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. NJ 182, HPS 131, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. The likes of Boss 0479, dames from Moremi Sapa, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. And on the dam side, going back to Whitelands 9240. Longfellow wat bekend was vir sy melk en vleis, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. 'n Bulse syfers wat hy 2 en plus 6 op melk. En raai wat? Uit 'n ma uit met 'n interkalfprore van 397 days, dames here, ladies and gentlemen, outstanding. Capacity, length of body, and the bull we always wanted. You can buy him today. Number 40, hit number 40, better be clear of Lisa, and 40, hit number 40, better 42, and 42,000 a bit, and now 42, better 45, and 45 around, better 45, and now 48, better 48,000 a bit, and now 48, better 48, and 50, better 50, better 50,000 a bit, and now 50, better 50, better 5, and now 55 around, better 55, and now 55 around, better 55, and 55, and 55 at Marcus Low, and now 55 around, better 55, and 55, and 55,000 a bit, asking 60,000 go, and now 55 around, better 55, and now 55 around, better 50,000 bid, 55,000, all out, all done, but Marcus nou 60,000, ek hoop jy gaan self agter die koeie met aanloop nie, en nou 55 rand, better 55,000 bid, en 55,000, en nou 55 rand, better 55, en nou 55, eerste tweede daar, maar all out, all done, so vir wat, dankie meneer Swanepoel, hy seker koop daar, so he was one of my favorites as well, en hy koop daarom is by number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, we all feel aan die veiling, 'n volbroer van lot 23 en 45 wat verder in die veiling gaan aankom. Al drie broers en ek moet vir jou sê uitstekende beelde daar, so dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Size 133, going back to boss 613, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Wolford Menzo and the likes of Longfair. Cow, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, hot 13, 252, en 'n sekere koe, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, 'n moederlyn. Lengte, breedte, he's got it all. Dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, 40,000 a bit, and now 40,000, 40,000 a bit, 40,000 a bit, 2, and now 42,000, gonna be here, 42,000, and now 42,000, gonna be here, 42,000 a bit, and now 42,000, 42,000, 45, and 45, 45, and now 48, and 48,000 a bit, and now 48, and gonna be here, 48, and now 48,000 on here, 40, 48,000 a bit, and now 48,000, and now 48, and gonna be here, 48,000 on here, 40. Better 48,000 a bit, en 48,000 wat maak ons nou meneer, en al 48, 48,000 all out, all done, gersal vir about 48,000 vir die eerste, tweede, en al 50, al achter, en al 50, 55, en al 55, 55, en al 55 teen jou, en al 55, 55,000 a bit, asking 60,000 nuggie, en al 60,000, 65, en al 65, 65, en al 75,000, 65, asking 70,000, and now 65, 65,000 a bit, at 65, at 65,000, and now 65, 65,000 a bit, and now 70,000 to go, and now 70,000 up before, and at 70,000 a bit, at 70,000, 70, and now 70,000, 75, and 75,000 a bit, and now 75, asking 80,000, and now 75, 75, and 75, and 75, 75,000, all out, all done, goes over to 75,000, but here's the 200 all out, all done. For the 70 Dankie meneer Dou van Wyk daar so. Meneer Viljoen daar so by number 22 by dankie. My onderbeheer Chris and gentlemen, I would like to as you better 40,000 a bit. At the rotation, better 40, 40, hit a bit of 40, better 40, 40, hit a bit of 40, better 40,000 a bit. And now the rotation, better. And now the rotation, better. You're asking 45, sir, and now 42 and 2, I'm going to be taken about 42,000 a bit, and now 42 and 5, and 45 I'm better with 45, and now 45 I'm better with 45, and now 45 I'm better with 45,000 a bit, and 45,000 a bit, and 45 asking 48, sir, and now 48 I'm better with 45. Ding ding ding, better with 45 around, ding ding ding, better with 45 around. Actual name. Hier comes in de ring, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, halfbroer van lot nummer 3. Een bal met de achterkwart, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Sterk achter. ICP, sy maase into kalfperhore 380 days. Growth, depth, width. You be the decider. And 40 hit about 40, but with 4,000. And now 40 hit about 40, but with 42, and 42,000 a bit. And now 42, going to be hit about 42. And now 42, I'm better with 45. And 45 around, I'm better with 45,000 a bit. And 48, and now 48, I'm better with 48,000 a bit. And now 48, here, in better with 48,000 a bit. Asking 50, but Marcus no. And now 48, here, in better with 48,000 a bit. And now 48, I'm better with 48, going to be here about 48,000 a bit. And now 48, and 48, and 48, here, in better with 48,000 a bit. And now 48, going to be here about 48,000 once, twice, all out, all done, going to sell for 48,000. Ek kan het nie glo nie, vir die eerste tweede daar, maar all out, all done. Dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, the next bull to come in. Een volbroer van lot 20. 45, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Side, boss 1740, have a look here, so. So Lawford Manzo, JDH Mandos and Longfellow, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Weer eens uitstekende cijfers daar, so plus 27, plus 38, plus 49 en plus 8 op. Plus Also, dames and ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. And very number. But 40,002, and now 42, gonna be to number 42, and now 42, gonna be to number 45, and 45 around 45, and 8, and 48, and 48 number 50, and now 50, 50, number 50, number 5, and now 55 around number 55, and now 55, 5, 8, in number 55,000, 5 and 5, 5, 8, in 55, but Marcus no, and now 60, and now asking 5, and now 65, and now 65, 5, 8, in 65, and 65, and 65, 5, 8, in 65, but Marcus no, and now 5 and 6, and now 65, asking 70,000, and now 65, under 65, and now 65, all out, all done, over 65,000, for the tweede dame, all out, all done. Sold for this. Right, terug op die raadbasis, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, 8469. Ladies and gentlemen. Number one, sold today, will be number of down here, will be number 40, 40,000 a bit, and now 50,000 number 2, and 42,000 a bit, and 45, and 48, and 50, and now 50, 50, 5, and now 55 is yesterday gevat at 40 and 55, and now 60, and 65, and 65, 5, 8, in 65, and now 65, 10, and now 65, and 70, 70, in 70,000 a bit, and now 70,000 number 70, and now 70, 70, in 70,000 a bit, and 70,000 number 70, 75, and now 75, number 75,000 a bit, and 75, and 75, asking 80, sir, and now 75, around 75, and now 75, look at the muscle, look at the depth, he weaned himself 262 kgs, money a foot marky, and now 75, around 75,000 a bit, and now 75, number 75, and now 75, around 75,000 a bit, and 75, and 75, and 75, all out, all down, there's other 75. Hier het hierdie bil gespeen toe hy al was, weg van sy ma af. C11154, dames and ladies and gentlemen, and the likes of 469, and 07361, and 11151. Considerata, 10. 106.5, 102 on a fertility value. Dis nou 'n stuk vleis wat hier voor julle staan. Depth, width, dames en heren, 80 kilogram. Remember, dames and ladies and gentlemen, kyk 'n bietjie mooi. Have a look here. And remember the sell today, remember 40 and 40,000 a bit. And now 40,000 number 40, 40, 40,000 a bit too. And now 42, gonna be here, 42, 5, and 45, 45, and now 45, 45, 8, and 48,000 a bit. And now 48, 8, and 48, and now 48,000 a bit, and 48, and 48,000 a bit, and 48, and 48, and 48,000 a bit, and now 50, and now 50, 50,000 a bit, and now 50,000 number 50, 50, 50, and now 50,000 number 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, and 50, and 50, and 50,000 a bit, and now 50,000 number 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, and 50, and 50, what do we do, sir? And now 55, Now what do we do, sir? Now 60. And now 60, but 60, but 60,000 a bit. And now 60,000, but 60, but 60, but 60, and 60, and 60,000. You were asking 5, sir. And now 60,000, but 60, but 60, but 60, but 60. All out, all done. Get us over 60,000. All out, all done. By number 17, by Donkey. By geluk weer wel uitstekend. Right on to the next lot, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen. Lot number 26 comes in the ring. Side, Winchester Riviera. Dam side, 11154. And the likes of 469. And I better goeie 06185. A milk safe for $116,101 on the maintenance value, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen. Hy self 251 kilogram gespeen toe hy kalf was, dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look here. And get a bit number of dames and heren, ladies and gentlemen. And 40,000 a bit. And now 40,000 number 40, 40, 40, and 40, and 40, 40, 40, 40, and now 40,000 a bit, 40,000 number 40 degree 40 40 hit about 40, what about 40, and now 40,000, and now 40,000 a bit, and now 40,000 number 40 40 hit about 40, what about 40 and 40 and 40 40 hit about 40, but it's and now 40,000 a bit, asking 2, and now 40,000 number 42 online, and 42 gonna be hit about 42, and now 42,000 a bit, and 42 gonna be hit about 42,000 on hit about 40, but it's 42,000 a bit, and now 45, and now 45 and 45 10 year online down, so maybe cut one up 48, and now 48 gonna be here about 48,000 a bit, and now 48,000, and now 48 here in 48,000 on here about 40, but 48,000 a bit. Kyk na die groei, kyk na die vleis wat hy dra. This is a bull that can breed you wieners as well. And number 48,000 a bit, and 48 gonna be here about 48,000 on here about 40, but 48,000 all out, all done gonna is over 48,000 for eerste, tweede, derde, all out, all done. For a 48. All the way from Zambia, congratulations on your bull also on your purchase. Well done, sir. By Meerkat. Say numerous. And also well done, man. Right, lot number 27 comes into the ring, dames and ladies and gentlemen. Have a look here. Right, and bit number by the side Winchester Riviera out of a top downing cow, dames and ladies and gentlemen. Melk safe at 112, 106 waarde. Hy self at 275 kilogram gespeene voelbroer word in die kurre gebruik. Gentlemen, have a look here. And bit number by the number by the voelbroer van lot number 8. Full brother to lot number 8. Ladies and gentlemen, would be here and Bach on a car would be number 40 at 40,000 a bit, and now 40 for about 40, but 2 and 45 and 45 around number 45, but 48, number 50, number 50, but 50,000 a bit, and now 50,000 number 50, number 5, and now 55 by you need on it, and now 55 around number 60, number 60, but 60,000 a bit, and now 60,000 number 60, number 60, but 60,005, and now 65, and number 65, and now 65 is no by worm, and 65, and now 70, and now 70,000 number 70, no man. And now 75 and 75 around and 75,000 a bit, and now 75,000 and 75 around and 75 you'll learn, and now 75 around and 75. Kyk na die groei, kyk na die diepte, kyk na die lengte, en hy's 'n volbroer van lot 8. Wow. Number 5 for him, but 75,000 a bit, 75,000, and now 75 around and 80 and 80,000 a bit, and now 80 here in 80. Waar is jou boot? Now 90. Meaning 90, 100,000. Boer. 100,000. Now 100,000 number with 100, 100,000 a bit, 110 here in number 110, 110 here in number 110 on it, and now 120 boer at 120 20 here number 80, number 120 at 120,000 a bit, and now 130 30 here number 30, number 130 140 140 here number 40, number 140 10 on and now 1 and now 160, and now 60 number 160, and now 160 60 number 60, number 160, and now 160 down number 170, at 170 on at 170 number 180, 180 here number 80, at 180 80 here number 80, number 180, and now 180 180 180 here number 180, asking 190 sir, and now 180 80 here number 80, number 180 180 180 all out, all done yourself for 180,000 vir die eerste, tweede, derde maal, ek kan dit nie glo nie. Eighty dollars. Number 7 se reg is nie oom. 45, Moremi, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. The combination of Longfellow and Bullet weer eens daar, so uitstekend daar, so have a look daar, so dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, out of an embryo cow. En Moremi, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, here. En Moremi, have a look daar, kyk naar die vlees wat hy daar in die agterkwart daar, Moremi, 40,000 bid, en 42 online, dankie Meerkat. En now 42, gravitated number 42, and now 42,000 bid, en 42, gravitated number 42, wat maak ons nou? En now 42 by Meerkat, en 42, gravitated number 45, en 45 around number 45 by Omerman, en now 45 around number 45,000 bid, en now 45 around number 45, Koerus draai daar, sy heel is uit online, it's 45 op die vloer, en now 45 around number 45, en now 45 around number 45,000 bid, en 45, en 45 around number 45,000 bid, en 45,000, en now 45 around number 45 around number 45,000 bid, and now 45, now 48, now asking 50 sir, and now 48 by Meerkat, and now 48 in number 48,000 bid, and 48,000 asking 50,000 sir, and now 48 in number 48,000 on number 40, number 48 and 50,000 bid, and now 50,000 number 50, and now 50 degree 50 degree 50 number 50 and 50 and 50 and 50 50 number 50 all out Chris draai, jy is klaar. So Anton Miller, baie dankie daar, so ek waardeer jy wel, baie dankie. Right, lot number 29 comes into the ring, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. Kyk, daar die gat op hierdie bal. Met een meldcijfer van +3. Hy het 'n koei uit met 'n ICP en te kalfbroode van 362, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Side. Number 40, here, number 40, but it's here up nation, and 40. Number 40, here, number 40, but 2, and 42,000 bid, and 24,000, number 45, number 45, and now 45, number 45,000 bid, and now 48, and 48, and 48,000 bid, and now 50, and 50,000 bid, and now 50,000, number 50, 50, number 50, but 50,000 bid, and now 50,000, number 50, 50, number 50, but 50,000 bid, and now 55, owner, and now 55, number 50. Number 55,000 bid, and now 55, oom weet net so goed soos ek, hierdie bil gaan speenkalle steel, and now 55, number 55,000 bid, all out, all done. For a 50. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. Lot number 30 comes into ring, dames here. Have a look here. Hy het equate met 'n ICP of 352 days, dames here. Side 14 NJ 180 of 2. HB 131 dials 10479, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. And the likes of Cassius Clay and Longfellow variants. Plus 21, plus 35, plus 38 en plus 5 en melk, dames en heren, gentlemen. 'n boel met 'n rug. Kyk hoe breed is hy. Gentlemen. You tell me, and baby number dames en heren, baby number 40, number 40,000 bid, and 40,000 number 40, number 40, and now 40,000 number 40, number 40, 40,000 bid. Onthou jy toe julle jonk was, universiteit, as julle dorp toe gegaan het julle ook so rondgespring. Ek het dit ook gedoen. And now 45 around, but 45,000 bid, and 45 meneer Swanepoel wat Marcus Dow, and now 48 online, and 48 in, but 48, and now 48,000 bid, and 42, and 42,000 bid, and 42, going to be here, but 42, and now 42, but 42,000 bid, and 42, and now 24 place number 42,000 on here, but 40, but 15, going to be here, but 42,000 all out, all done, is over 42,000 for a 42,000, 42,005, and now 45 is terug amper, and now 45 about and 45 and 48 online, and now 48 here in 48,000 bid, and now 48 in going to be here, but 48,000 bid, and 48 and 48 and 48,000 bid, and now 48 number 48 going to be here, but 48,000 bid, and now 48 all out, all done, is over 48,000 online by Meerkat 3 is de tweede, derde keer all out, all done. For a 48,000 as ek mag. Reg so baie dankie, baie number is. Baie number 222 daar, so have a look daar, so dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, Kudus draai boerdery. Right, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, have a look here, and baby number lot 38. Side coming out of the terug op die Bermane, kyk drie rug op hierdie bal, wow. Right, lot number 38 back onto the Brahmins daar so, skies ons niks seker maak, alles is reg daar so. Hot 10, 9:30 dames and gentlemen, side going back to Telmo 6420 dames and gentlemen. And the likes of Mr. Kavangu on the Ram side going back to NJ 182 daar so, Van Bos 96601 NJ 182. Sian. In Bullet, and I coming out of the cow with unbelievable fertility daar so, on ICP of 341 dames and gentlemen. You tell me, look at the width. Kyk na die binneduie, die breedte, die rug op hierdie bil, dames en ladies and gentlemen, he's going to do the job for you. And and 40,000 bid, and 40,000 number 40 Marion, jy moet net vir my sê, and now 40 here about 40,000 bid, and now 40,000 number 40 here, 40,000 bid, and 40,000 and 40,000, and now 42 and 42,000 bid, and now 42 going to be here about 42 and 5 and 45 around and 45, and now 45 around and 45 and 45 and 45 here in 48, and now 48,000 bid, and now 48,000 number 48 number 48,000 bid, and 48,000, and now 48 number 48,000 all out, all done, Gris of Rach in 40,000 vir die eerste, tweede daar, maar all out, all done. For a 48,000 vir 48,000, en ek hoop waarom er is kies. By number 21, by dankie meneer. Right, dames and ladies and gentlemen, lot number 40 comes into ring daar so vir die Brahmane daar so, side Telmer 06420. And on the dam side, going back to Cassius Clay and the likes variants van Longfellow daar so, vleis en melk, dames and ladies and gentlemen. Here he stands before you, kyk na hy rug, dames and ladies and gentlemen, daar sy lekker capaciteit op die bil daar, moet die number, kyk na hy back aan, moet die number 40, and now 40 here about 40, what about 40,000 a bit, and now 40,000 number 40 here about 40, and now 40,000 number 40 here about 40, what about 40 and 40,000 a bit, and now 40,000 number 40 here about the meneer Volmarans wat Marcus Dow at 40 here about 40, what about 40, and now 40,000 number 40 here about 40, what about 40, and now 40,000 number 40 here about 40, what about 40 and 40 and 40 and 40 here about 40, but about 40,000, and now asking 2, and now 40,000 a bit, and now 42 to number 42 wat Marcus Dow and 40,000 and 40,000 asking 2, laat hy net uitgaan van nou, dames en gentlemen. Right, dames en gentlemen. Right, dames and ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. Lot number 41 comes to the ring. Boss 50, Grandson Daso, side, Hot 16, 565. And Boss 50 and Elliot. And on the right hand side, going back to ML0159. En daar soos jy mooi gekyk het weer eens en julle ken julle pedigrees, gaan hy terug na Cassius Clay toe. En met die nummer dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, dra baie vlees, kyk 'n bietjie mooi uit 'n ma uit met 'n interkalf verhoorde van 392 days is fertility. Kyk na die manlike kop, kyk na die rug dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, kyk na die sitbeen en lengte van die heup sitbeen op hierdie bil dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. Look at his borsvloer, he's a bull. En met die nummer dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, here and 40 here above 40, but 40,000 bit and now 40,000 but 40 degree 40 here above 40, but 40 and now 40,000 but 40 and 40 and 42 and 42,000 bit at 42,000 but 42 going to be here above 42,000 bit at 42,000 and now 42 and down 10 and now 42 and but 42 and now 42,000 bit and 42,000 but Marcus no and 42,000 bit at 42,000 but 42 going to be here above 42,000 bit all out all done goes over 42,000 one bid one buy for the 42,000. Dis al klaar, die hamer klaar toegeslaan daar. So 42,000 by number 21 buys. Thank you, sir. Regshoorn. And very big number of dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Full Brewers lot number 26, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look here, side Winchester, dam side, going back to 11C, 11, 154 and 469. And weer eens 8 185, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Hy seker ek wie. Melkwaarde van 116, 101 op 'n maintenance value, dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look here. And very big number of hy self het 253 kg gespeen. He's going to breed you winners. And very big number of dames here, ladies and gentlemen. Here down, very big number of lekker diepte en kapasiteit op die bil daar. Sy very big number of 40. Now 40 here above 40, what about 40,000 bit? And now 40,000 but 40 here above 40, what about 40 and 40 and 40 here above 40, but about 40,000 bit? And now 40,000 but 40 degree 40 here above 40, what about 40 and 40 and 40 here above 40, but about 40 and now 40,000 bit and 42 and 42,000 bit donkey and now 42 but 42 meneer Wolmanats wat maak ons nou and 42,000 bit and now 42 degree and 42 asking 45 and now 42 but 42,000 bit asking 45 sir and now 42 going to be here but 42 all out all done got us over 42,000 once twice all out all done for 42,000 Axel yes bitter mooi moet hoor daar so absoluut minimum my maat 50 as jy van my 50 kan maak kan die bil jou nou wees with capacity like that 50,000 what do we do sir Oom Linda as ek hom verkoop vir 48 48 en hy is joune once, twice, all out, all done alright, laat hy net uitgaan van nou, not sold right, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, on to lot number 43 have a look here, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen Dankie manne, dankie, skus. Partykeer is ek 'n bietjie te vinnig en ek moet ook 'n bietjie net 'n bietjie stadiger raas so maak die mense die mekaar. Right, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, look at the length of this bull, look at the capacity. Kyk na die binnendye, daar so die lang bout op die bull, uitstekende bull. Hy het 238 kg gespeen daar so dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. 'n Volbroer van lot 24 dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. Outstanding. Have a look here. And we number of bull and we number of 40 here about 40, but 40,000 bid and 42 and 42,000 bid and now 42 going to be here about 42,000 40,000 on here per 40. Better between 2, got to be here per 45. And now 45 around and better 45,000 a bid. And 45 and 45 here in better 45. And now 48 and 48,000 a bid. And now 48 and better 48,000 on here per 40. Better 48,000 a bid. En nou 48.000 aan berbet 48, all out, all done, is over 48,000 vir die eerste tweede daar, maar all out, all done. Sold for 48,000, daar sê baie dankie as ek mag, by number 17, outstanding by sir, well done, Freddy Alipad af en Verliese Wêreld af. Koper nummer 17, well done sir, now standing by. And have a look here, dames en heren, gentlemen, over here. Lot number 44. Have a look here, kyk na die lengte daar, so in die breedte op die bil, hy steken, dames en heren, gentlemen. Hy het 262 kilogram gespeen. Cow value of 107, 114 daar so op kalvings gemaakt waren, daar so 115 op kalfgroei waren, dames en heren, gentlemen. Side, quartermaster son, and out of a bitter goeie quee, hot 1395, daar so going back to 0529, and variance 06185. Dames en heren, gentlemen, die laaste drought master bull on offer today. Have a look here, you tell me. And baby number 5 over the side, and baby number 5 over the bull down, and baby number 5 over the number 40, and 40, and 40, and 40, 40, here, 40, and now 40, number 40. Hy is so kliphard. As hy al die koeie op die plaas gedek het, dan dek hy al die eysterpale ook. En baby number 40, number 40, 40, here, 40, 40,000 bid, and now 40, number 40, 40, here, 40, 40, and 40, and 40, 40, here, 40, in die 40, and now 40,000 bid. Kyk na die breedte, wat sê julle? Hy self het 262 kilogram gespeen, manne. Dis 'n speenkalf, teeler die. En baby number 40, 40, here, 40, 40, and number 40, 40, here, 40, 40, here, 40, and now 40, number 40, and 40, and 40, 40, here, 40, 40, and 40, and 40, and 40,000. And now 40 degree, round, 40, 40 degree, 40 degree, 40, 40, 40, here, 40, 40. Kom ons sit om net een kant van nou, daar sê not sold. Right, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, nou vir die volgende ronde daar, so van die Brahmani drought is nou klaar. 32 kom nou in. 500, 500. Enige belangstelling. Right, we'll make it not sold for now. Nie verkoop nie. On to lot number 55, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. Side. We sell you Considerata 18194 Seaman daar so. 2 lotte van 10 strooikies elk, dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. Size 1656 down, so going back to Considerate 11505 and 469. Lyn geteel, as jy die lyn teeling daar sien, 0529 dames en heren, ladies and gentlemen. And the likes of that bitter goeie koeie 0701 and 0521. 137 op koeiwaarde, 119 op kalvings gemaakt waarde, 139 op kalfgroeiwaarde en 102 op vrugbaarheidswaarde. $500, daar is 2 lotte van 10 strooikies elk. Jy kan een of al 2 vat, Henny. Sê vir die mense, en baby bid about 500, 500 bid about 500, 500 bid. 500 get about 500, 500 bid about 500, and 500 bid about 500, 500 bid about 500, 500 bid at 500, asking 500, and 500 bid about 500, 500 bid at 500 bid about 500, 500 bid about 500, bid about 500, at 500, asking 500, wat maak is nou, at 500 bid, at 500, about 500, online, 500, 800, 800, ek kan niks sien nie, so nie, at 800, so dis alright, jylle gaan my help daar, so dankie, 800 online, 800, bid about 800, at 800, bid about 800, 800, bid about 800 bid, at 800 bid about 800, at 800 asking $1,000 to go, at 800 bid about 800, 800 bid, 800 all aan, dan ek het sal vir 800 vir die eerste tweede daar, maar all out, all done, vir 800, vir 800, 800, dankie, vat hy een of vat hy allemaal? By number 223, 233 is die koopernummer by Meerkat, 233, hy vat net 10 strooikies vir R800. Is daar enige iemand wat belangstel nie aan die 10? Moet hulle weer opvuil? Right, not sold, ons los net die ander 10 dae so. Dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, kom ons gee 'n lekker hande klap vir die Brandwater span daar so en elkeen van julle wat hier is vandag, ons waardeer dit opreg. Baie dankie. Ek weet die reën is op pad, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, die goeders gaan draai daar so nie. En baie dankie aan al die spotters namens myself, SHM daar so, Meerkat en al die spotters daar so. Baie dankie. Ons waardeer. Lekker dag verder asseblief. Daar is 'n paar bulle wat nog in die mark is. As jy nog 'n paar bulle soek, kom praat met my of met Simon en dan kan ons vir julle probeer help. Baie dankie, lekker dag verder, geniet julle dag en goodbye.